Tired of feeling like your every move online is being watched? Big tech companies are known for collecting massive amounts of your personal data. But what if I told you there's a better way? Today, we're rediving into 5 incredible privacy-focused apps that let you take back control from the tech giants. First up, instead of Google Chrome, try Brave browser. Brave blocks ads and trackers by default, which not only protects your privacy, but also makes web pages load way faster. It even has a built-in crypto wallet and a rewards system that pays you for viewing privacy-respecting ads if you choose to. It's a win-win for speed and security. Next, let's talk about search. Instead of Google search, give DuckDuckGo a try. DuckDuckGo's main promise is simple. They don't track you. Ever? Every time you search, it's like you're a brand new user. This means no filter bubbles and no creepy ads following you around the internet just because you searched for something once, worried about your emails being scanned. Switch from Gmail to ProtonMail, based in Switzerland, which has some of the world's strongest privacy laws. ProtonMail offers end-to-end encryption. This means nobody, not even ProtonMail itself, can read your emails. It's the digital equivalent of a sealed letter. For messaging, ditch WhatsApp and move to Signal. Signal is the gold standard for private communication. Like ProtonMail, it uses end-to-end encryption for all your messages and calls. It's so secure. It's recommended by privacy experts and journalists worldwide. Plus, it is completely free and has all the features you'd expect from a modern messaging app. Finally, for cloud storage, forget Google Drive and check out Trezor. It also uses end-to-end encryption to protect your files. Before your data even leaves your device, it's encrypted. This ensures that only you and the people you share with can access your files. It's a true digital safe for your most important documents. Making the switch to these apps is a huge step towards reclaiming your digital privacy. It's easier than you think, and the peace of mind is totally worth it. Which of these will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on digital freedom.